Lesson 2.5, Solve Multiple Step Equations. What we will learn today: to solve multi-step equations, equations with no solutions, and equations with an infinite number of solutions. In other words, there is no actual answer, there's more than one answer. Our vocabulary for today, we have 3 vocabulary words: null set, which can be represented with this symbol here, the 0 crossed out, empty set with the parentheses, and identity. Example 1, solve multi-step equations. So they're asking us to solve 15 times, in parentheses, 20 plus d, and that's equal to 420. Now, as I mentioned before, our main goal is to isolate the variable. Okay. And obviously the variable is inside the parentheses, and we need to get it outside of that parentheses. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the number that's outside, which in this case is the 15, and we're going to multiply. We're going to use what's called the distributive property. We're going to multiply it times the 20. So I'm going to take 15 times 20, put that in parentheses, plus, and it's plus because of the addition symbol inside the parentheses, 15 times d. And all that together should equal 420. So let's simplify for this. We're going to start with the 15 times 20. So I'm using my calculator right now to figure 15 times 20. And that is 300, plus 15 times d, 15d, equal to 420. Now, we're still trying to isolate this variable, and the variable, I see it right here next to that 15. We've learned before that we need to get rid of everything that's surrounding it, so I need to get rid of the 300. And in order to get rid of the 300, I'm going to do the opposite of what it is. Right now it's positive. I'm going to subtract both sides by 300. So I'm left with 15 times d equals 420 minus 300, which will give me 120. Divide by 15. And that should give us d is equal to 8. Now let's check our answer. And to check our answer, we're going to take 15 in parentheses 20 plus, let's plug in our 8. Does that equal 420? So I know 20 plus 8 is 28. 15 times 28 is equal to 420. So 420 does equal 420 when d is equal to 8.